Hello friends. Today this is the lesson for the very small kids of grade 1. Today I am going to teach them about the body parts. But before that, can we meet a good friend of ours? Yes? Just a second. See, this is my doll. This is a very cutie doll and she is also having the body parts like us. So she and me will tell you about the body parts. But she will not speak anything before I ask her. Okay? Bye. So kids, I want to know जब मम्मा फूड बनाती है यम्मी यम्मी फूड तुम्हें कैसे पता चलता है? How do you know about that? By smelling. About what? By smelling. And with what we are smelling? With what? Yeah, it's a nose. This is the nose. This is the nose. When this nose smells something, so we can identify the mummy is cooking a delicious dish. Yes. So what is the first body part? That is nose. The spelling for that is N-O-S-E. Nose. The very first body part is nose. Can you show me your nose? Yes? Yes, everyone? Okay. Now, the doll will show us the nose. See, she's having very pretty nose here. The small nose. So, it's a nose of a doll. Okay. Now, I can't see anything. There is nothing in front of me. I cannot identify anything. But now, if I open my eyes, I can see everything. So, what is this? What is this? Yes, these are eyes. These are eyes. Do you have your eyes? Show me that. Yes, these are eyes. And how many of eyes you have? Yes, 2 eyes. I am also having 2 eyes. So, second is E-Y-E-S. Eyes. First body part is nose. Another body part is eyes. Then the next. Now, if food is there and I want to eat it, but it is so yummy or it is not yummy, how can I identify that? How do you identify that? By tasting it. Yeah, I am taking a piece of cake and I am just eating that. And how it is? It's so yummy and sweet. Which organ tells you that? It's your tongue. Tongue tells you the taste of the food. This is tongue. Tongue tells you this is sweet or this is sour or this is spicy or this is yummy or not. So the next part is tongue. You can see this is mouth and in the mouth there is tongue. There is lips. Sure, see, these are my lips and teeth also. So in the mouth it has 1 tongue, 2 lips and teeth. So the next body parts are lips and teeth. Now what is the next one is? They are, what is this? See, these are ear. If I close this ear, what will happen? I cannot hear anything. If I close this ear, we cannot hear anything. So here the next is ears. E-A-R-S, ears. So next body parts are ears. Now we can ask to our doll also. Is she having ears? See? Yes. She's also having ears. And what about the lips? See, these are the pinky lips to her. Yes, and very much blue eyes. You can see, see. Yeah, her is also having two eyes and two ears, one nose and lip. Okay. Now, what is this again made up of? What is this? Yes, these are the chicks. What is this? These are the chicks. So we can write, we have chicks. And what about this? This is chin. What it is? It's chin. These are the facial organ of my body. Here my face is having lips, teeth, tongue, cheeks, chin, ears. And what is this? What it is? This is the head, and on my head there are hair. So the next is head, and on that I have what? I have hairs. So this is about the body parts. We can see nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Nose is for smelling. And eyes, I have two eyes. We all are having two eyes. With the eye, we can see this beautiful word. And tongue. With the tongue, we can taste yummy food. And here are the lips. And this is teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Again, I am having ears to hear, cheeks, chin, head, and on head I have hairs too. Getting? Yes. Now, shall I repeat again? So, you will repeat after me. Nose, eyes, tongue, lips, teeth, ears, cheeks, chin, head, and hairs. Very good. Now I have one poem for you with the body parts. Shall we do that? Okay? You also have to sing with me. Okay? So let's come on, start with the poem. Okay? Say, chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within. Shall I repeat once again? Okay, my dear. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within. Curly hairs, you again say, curly hairs, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Mama's pet, is that you? Yes. Very good. Excellent. So keep learning about the body parts and repeat it again. Nose, eyes, tongue, lips, teeth, ears, cheeks, chin, head, and hairs. Now, our little friend will also sing with us. Yes, shall we repeat the poem? Okay. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips. One more time. Rosy lips, teeth within. Okay. Now, curly hairs, very fair, eyes are blue, Eyes are blue. Lovely too. Mama's pet. Is that you? Mama's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Very good, kids. So, these are our body parts. But you know, we are having the lots of body parts. But we will see that also in our next lesson.